Magnesium chloride in the building materials industry is the production of light building materials, such as glass fiber tile, partition board, the production of artificial marble, and other high-rise building supplies. Important raw materials, a wide range of uses, through the influence of the speed of the ball press, can know that the speed of the magnesium chloride ball press is too fast and too slow will affect the quality of the ball. It does not represent the output of the magnesium chloride ball press is fixed. The answer is obviously not necessarily. Other ball press parameters are unchanged. It is not impossible to increase the output by increasing the speed. Need to have. One is to ensure the material conditions. If you want to increase the output by increasing the speed, the first thing to do is to ensure the adaptability of the material to rapid prototyping, such as whether you can increase the binder content. The second is to increase the pressure of the ball press accordingly. 3 is to ensure sufficient feeding.